Good evening. This video was created to assist Sam and team with some strategies that will assist with redeveloping their science unit. Sam and team have not produced clear and realistic expectations for the science unit. They have created a unit which is far beyond student capability, and that is exactly what the pre-test outlined. As a result, they need a new set of goals and strategies to assist with the unit's redevelopment. Firstly, it was clear that students were lacking an understanding of key terminology and their comprehension of key ideas was limited. As a result, teachers need to be looking at not only the Level 3 ACARA science standards, but also into the Level 2 and even the Level 4 standards. By doing so, they can differentiate the concepts and learning goals for each student and make the achievements more realistic for everyone. The main areas of the curriculum which needed to be addressed for this unit are the text knowledge element and the grammar knowledge element. In order to address these literacy gaps, the team should utilise Green's three-dimensional model as a strategy when moving forward and restructuring this unit. It should be made clear that after observing that the students were well behind in literacy, that they would obviously be having difficulty understanding main scientific jargon, and they would need thorough explanation and support before the unit could commence, or a number of lessons beforehand which could assist with the type of language and the writing styles that they were required to produce. Generating a glossary of key terms and incorporating imagery in the lessons and or pictures which were relevant to the state of change topic are important so that students can physically see their ideas and link them with the real world. This could improve upon the cultural literacy for all students. By focusing on Green's 3D model, in particular the linkage between operational and critical literacy, teachers can improve upon the unit. They can do so by structuring lessons following the teaching and learning cycle. Sam and other PLT members should use this as a critical literacy strategy, which incorporates numerous high-impact teaching strategies when developing all future lessons. By doing so, they'll be able to provide a heavily structured course for all students, which is well differentiated. The TLC should be implemented in all lessons leading forward in the following way. They should build a context and understanding amongst the classes. This can be done through brainstorming, creating glossaries. Guiding students is important, as well as providing them with numerous examples and linkages to the real world in a both formal and informal way. Teachers then need to explicitly teach and model text types that they are requiring and expecting of their students to produce. In this case, it's an informal report and a procedural text. They need to show students step by step how to write up the elements contained within each type of writing and the meta language that needs to be used to produce a poster, and this poster can act as an example of what students are expected to produce. Teachers should then use a guided practice, so teachers and students should develop a piece of writing together that can assist students who are at a lower level gain an understanding of the structure in a safe way. This is a collaborative learning technique, and teachers can assist students who are struggling and get students who are struggling to gain an understanding of concepts by working together. After guided practice, teachers can then get students to undertake an independent construction. This can act as a summative test. These proposed ideas will have benefits and limitations. The benefits include students being guided through the unit with greater support, students building upon their literacy and attempting to close the gaps in their learning. Lessons are highly structured. It incorporates explicit teaching, collaborative learning opportunities for students of varying ability levels, numerous exposure to content and ability to link content to the real world. The limitations and main drawbacks to this is that it can be quite time consuming, and teachers involved need to be knowledgeable of the content beforehand, and they must provide all students with the support they need. Students who don't need the support tend to be left out, and they need to be planned for as well. If you don't plan for them, then they miss out on opportunities to extend their knowledge, as the students who need support tend to get heavily favoured. If teachers follow the steps outlined in this video, I hope that they will be able to improve in the redevelopment of the lessons, and students can also gain from this science unit and have fun in the process. Thank you.